How to change background in PowerDirector. Now, in order to change background in PowerDirector, you just simply need to open your edit. If you don't have one, just simply create a new project. I have already created this project. Now, after making the project, you will get to see this page where you can see your image, your main clip, and all of the other things. Just simply select the clip or the image where you would like to change the background. First of all, you need to remove the current background. Now, in order to remove background, you just simply need to tap to this background option, and you have two options in order to change the background. First one is cutout, which requires premium PowerDirector subscription. So that's for the premium users. You can use that to remove the background, or you can use this chroma key for free. Just simply select the color scheme which you would like to remove. In my case, I want to remove all of the green, and tap to this check button, and it will give me a plain picture of the main object. Now after this, you can add a different background, you can add some color, you can add effect. Just simply tap to overlay and go to photo or video, and then select the photo which you would like to make background like this. Just simply select and then put this layer below. Now the new photo will become the new background, or you can add some plain colors, whatever you like, you can add that.